Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Waldorf chicken salad. First, gather your main ingredients: 2 cups of cooked chicken, diced, 1 cup of halved red grapes, and 1 cup of chopped celery for crunch. You'll also need half a cup of toasted, chopped walnuts. For the creamy dressing, prepare half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Ensure your chicken is completely cooled before you begin mixing. Now, let's create that delicious dressing. In a medium bowl, combine half a cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together until the mixture is smooth and creamy. This simple dressing forms the perfect base for our salad, bringing all the flavors together beautifully. Feel free to taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. With our dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine your diced cooked chicken, halved red grapes, chopped celery, and toasted walnuts. Pour the creamy dressing over these ingredients. Gently fold everything together using a spatula until all the components are evenly coated. Be careful not to overmix, as we want to maintain the texture of the grapes and chicken. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Once chilled, your easy Waldorf chicken salad is ready to enjoy. Serve it on a bed of crisp lettuce in a sandwich or with crackers for a delightful meal. This salad is perfect for lunch, picnics, or a light dinner. It's a classic for a reason, offering a wonderful balance of sweet, savory, and crunchy textures. For more great tips and deals, and a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.